Acebron Group is based in an area that has a very long-standing industrial tradition. Over the years, this region has built up a series of excellent infrastructure and workforce conditions. Ferrol's outer harbour are just 20 minutes away via the AG64 Highway, La Coruña Airport at 40 minutes away via the AP-9 Motorway. Quick and easy motorway and highway connections with the rest of the Iberian Peninsula. Acebron Group facilities cover a total of 38,500 square metres. The 4 plants of the group are built over nearly 16,000 square metres. The group has a workforce of almost 100 employees and has invested 15 million euros in state-of-the-art machinery. The powerful combination of outstanding professionalism and extensive experience enables the human team of Acebron Group to guarantee the company's success. The quality of our machining processes is guaranteed thanks to our engineering department and our technical office that are able to tackle large-scale detailed designs. A lot of business groups have placed their trust in Acebron Group to improve their production procedures through a very close collaboration degree, where processes are practically integrated. Technological machining workshops, a metrology laboratory, a sheet metal workshop, and a surface treatment workshop. All our facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, enabling us to guarantee our customers' most demanding needs and requirements. Acebron Group provides a wide range of services offering major added value. Industrial machining, surface treatments, painting, metal spraying and sandblasting, industrial repairs and maintenance, compressor, turbine and rotor repairs, 3-dimensional and laser tracker measurements, non-destructive testing. Acebron Group is able to manufacture, machine and execute surface treatments of all kinds, and this for all the major industrial sectors. Shafts, hubs, base frames and bearing houses for gearboxes for the wind energy sector, turbine housings, vertical and horizontal Francis and Pelton turbines, cones, elbow pieces and clamps for the hydraulic sector, drum cables, cable lifters and warping ends for the naval industry. Acebron Group is specialised in the manufacture of mass and project-based parts. Its ability to adapt to any specific customer requirements is one of the group's most outstanding characteristics. We produce parts in a wide range of shapes and sizes, using different types of materials. Many large clients trust and have a strong confidence in Acebron Group's production capacity. We have a horizontal lathe reaching 8 meters of maximum length and a vertical lathe reaching 11 meters of diameter. Boring machines that have a horizontal travel of 14 meters and a vertical travel of 4 meters. The weight of the pieces we can handle and move around our workshops is up to 50 tons. The Acebron Group's key objective is to provide total quality, with a corporate philosophy based on a zero defects policy. Our quality certifications, ISO 9001-2008 and ISO 14001-2004, are a firm guarantee of our commitment to the environment and assure the quality standards throughout our processes. They also fully comply with the highest health and safety standards. In order to always offer our customers optimum results, Acebron Group applies a methodology for the ongoing improvement of its processes, using our own quality assessment methods for our products. Values. Mission. Vision.